To check the RAM usage on a Google Pixel phone, first we'll need to open our settings. Then scroll down and look for About Phone information and scroll all the way down to find build number. Now we need to click on it multiple times until you can see that you're the developer on this device. And as you can see, I'm already the developer on this device. So now to access our memory usage, we'll need to go for a system, navigate down to developer options, and right here we can find our memory usage. It should be around here, or when we click on the memory profile and restart our device. We need to unlock it after the reset and go back to that developer settings again. Then you can see your average memory usage right here.